Hi everyone, this is Stacy with Aerial Drone Accessories, and today we're in the 3D Labs and I'm going to show you the new DuoShade V2. We've updated this thing. It has been a beast. We made it to work with the Mavic and then found it worked with the Spark, the Mavic Air, and also the new Mavic 2s works beautifully. Here's how it works. It's a rigid collapsible sunshade. It collapses flat like that. You slide your tablet in, you bring the back bracket around, it clicks into place just like that, and now you have yourself a nice rigid sunshade that holds your tablet beautifully. Now, it's simple. This is the Mavic 2 controller, and these are all the same width, whether you're using a Spark or Mavic Air or whatever. They all work the same way. It simply slides on just like this, holds it nice and tight. As you notice, we made it to where the actual shade drops down below your thumbs, so you don't have any problem getting to your thumbsticks. You're not trying to avoid a sunshade. You're not covering up the screen on the Mavic Pros, the Mavic 2s, so you have both screens available. You plug in your USB cord. It comes around here. We have a place for you to plug in to your tablet. It has access to your home button, and on the inside you have access to everything that you need on the inside. So beautifully, beautifully made. One of the additions we did make is we added a harness point here on the front of the shade. So now you can harness in, and that'll hold it for you if you just want to hold it around your neck. But it also gives you a little leverage to be able to work with, so you're not using any pressure on your wrist. Very, very nice. Holds it beautifully, works beautifully. Now, what do we make these for? This is for the iPad 2, 3, and 4. We also make one for the Nvidia Shield K1, which is very popular. It's out-of-date tablet, but everybody is trying to get them, so we continue to make those. Harness point, just like I was telling you about before, works the same way. And also we make them for your mobile phone. So we have them for the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, 7 and 7 Plus, and 8 and 8 Plus, and we also got one in the works for the iPhone 10, which will be out soon. A little behind on that, I apologize. I guess it's going to be the 10S here from what I hear next week. But anyway, that's what we have them for. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're here to answer any questions. Whatever you may need, we're here for you.